How to buy and sell on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. At the top, fourth option, you will find Marketplace. Click on it. To buy the product, you can simply scroll in here. And if you want to search, click on Search button. In here, you can simply type in what you want. And at the top left corner of your screen, you will be able to add your location as well. Click on the location and press on Apply at the bottom. After that, it will only show from that radius. If you want the product, click on it and then click on Message Seller. It will lead you to Messenger, and here you can text the person and ask for the product and buy the product in this way. But if you want to sell, at the top left corner you'll find Sell option. Click on Sell option. After that, at the bottom, select the list, what kind of item you want to sell. Now you can click on Add Photos at the top and then add photo of your product. Then add your title, price, category. You can choose what kind of product it is, condition, used, good, and extra description. You can also edit your location. You can also hide from your friends. After you're done, press on Publish at the top right, which will publish your listing. After that, Facebook will review this. Then, only if it's verified, it will send it to people. This is how to sell and buy on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.